Hello students, now we are continuing the next examples of vectors, that is section formula. Next point is section formula. Consider the line segment AB if P is a point on the line AB in the ratio, that is AP has to PB, its ratio. If P lies between point A and B, if the point P that is lies between point A and B, then P is said to be divide segment AB internally in the ratio AP has to PB. In this case, the directed segment AP and PB, that is point A to P and PB, are in the same direction. Its direction are in the same. Hence, the ratio of internal division, that is AP has to PB, is positive. P is the point of internal division. It is the point of internal division. If a point Q, that is given point Q here, lies on the line AB but not between A and B, point Q is lies but not in A and B, between, it is lies, then Q is said to be divide segment AB. Then point Q is said to be the divide segment AB, but that divide is externally in the ratio, that is AQ has to QB. Externally ratio AQ has to QB. In this case, the directed segment AQ and QB are in opposite direction. AQ and QB, its directions are opposite. AQ direction here and QB direction here, that is opposite directions. Hence the ratio of external division, opposite direction is external division. In the figure, the point R divides the segment AB externally in the ratio AR has to RB. AR has to RB, that is also opposite direction. Then next point is theorem number 5. Section formula for internal division. If take the vectors, position vectors, that is A bar, B bar and small r bar are position vectors of the points A, B and R, capital. Small a bar, B bar and R bar are the position vectors of capital A bar, capital B and R respectively. And R divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio M has to N, ratio that is M has to N. Then prove that the R bar is equal to MB bar plus NA bar divided by M plus N. In proof, in the diagram OA, B, MN, then position vector A bar, B bar, that is OA, A bar, OB, B bar. Let A bar, B bar and R bar, that is A bar, B bar and R bar, OR, that is R bar, be the position vectors of the points A, B and R. That is the position vectors of the point A, B and R respectively with respect to the same origin O. Then AR, that is AR bar. AR bar is the denote position vector of R bar minus position vector of A. The position vector of R is small r bar minus A bar. Then RB bar, that is the position vector of B minus position vector of R. It denotes that is position vector of B is B bar minus R bar. Then R divides the segment AB. Our segment AB, R divides internally in the ratio, that is ratio is M has to N. AR bar is R bar minus AR. AR bar, that is R bar minus A bar, and RB bar is equal to B bar minus R bar and its internally ratio, that is M has to N. Therefore, the AR divided by RB is equal to ratio, that is M divided by N. we will take the cross multiplication, that is n into AR is equal to m into RB, and ARB, R is the midpoint of A and B. Now AR bar and RB bar are in the same direction. AR bar and RB bar, here direction is same, that is same direction. Therefore, that is n into AR bar is equal to m into RB bar. Put the values of AR bar and RB bar, that is R bar minus A bar small and B bar minus R bar small. Therefore, n into R bar minus A bar is equal to m into B bar minus R bar. We multiply, we get n R bar minus n A bar is equal to m B bar minus m R bar. Then m R bar here, change side, then m R bar plus n R bar is equal to m B bar plus n A bar. The m plus n R bar is common term, remaining term in bracket, that is m plus n is equal to m B bar plus n A bar. Therefore, only value of R bar is equal to m B bar plus n A bar divided by m plus n. That is the resultant vector R bar is equal to m B bar plus n A bar divided by m plus n, we get, and this is called the section formula for internal division. The R bar is equal to m B bar plus n A bar divided by m plus n. This is called the section formula for internal division. Section formula for internal division. In remark, the position vectors R bar is midpoint of segment AB and the R is the small r bar, then R divides the segment AB internally in the ratio. When we change the ratio, that is in the place of m has to n, we put the value 1 has to 1 in the section formula. Then we get section formula is R bar is equal to m B bar plus n A bar divided by m plus n. We put the value of in place of m and n, that is 1. Then we get R bar is equal to 1 into B bar plus 1 into A bar divided by 1 plus 1. Therefore, R bar is equal to A bar plus B bar divided by 2. And this is called the midpoint formula. This is our midpoint formula. Its internal ratio, that is value of m and n, is 1 has to 1. In theorem 6, centroid formula. If A bar, B bar and C bar, 3 position vectors. If A bar, B bar and C bar be the position vectors of the vertices of triangle ABC. Its vertices, that is A, B and C of the triangle ABC, and G is the centroid of triangle ABC, then prove that its position vector of capital G is small g bar. Therefore, G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar divided by 3. In centroid formula. In proof, let ABC triangle, its A bar, B bar and C bar be the position vectors of points A, B and C respectively. Let D with position vectors, that is D bar, be the midpoint of side BC. The segment AD, line AD, is the median of triangle ABC. AD is median of triangle A, B and C. Triangle ABC. By the midpoint formula, we know that D bar is equal to B bar plus C bar divided by 2. Now the centroid formula, G of triangle ABC divides the median AD internally in the ratio, that is 2 has to 1. Then by the section formula, we put the value of 2 has to 1 here, and then we get G bar is equal to 2 into D bar plus 1 into A bar divided by 2 plus 1. Then in the place of value D bar, we put B bar plus C bar divided by 2. Then we get is equal to 2 into B bar plus C bar divided by 2 plus A bar, that is 1 into A bar divided by 3. Then 2 get cancelled and we get A bar plus B bar plus C bar divided by 3. Thus the position vector of centroid Z of triangle ABC is a bar plus b bar plus c divided by 3, and this is called the centroid formula. This is called the centroid formula. Theorem 7, section formula, external division. Here external division. If a bar, b bar and r bar are position vectors of the points a, b and r respectively, and r divides the line segment ab externally, r divides the line segment externally in the ratio m/n, then prove that r bar is equal to mb bar minus na bar divided by m minus n. In proof, OAR, ORB, then A bar, B bar and R bar are the position vectors. Let in the diagram A bar, B bar and R bar be the position vectors of the points A, B and R capital respectively with respect to the origin O, same origin O. Then we know that the AR bar is equal to position vector of second, that is R, minus position vector of first, that is A, is equal to R bar minus A bar. Then RB bar is equal to same position vector of B bar minus position vector of R, that is B bar minus R bar. Then R divides the segment AB externally in the ratio, its segment externally in the ratio m/n. Therefore AR divided by RB is equal to m divided by n in its magnitudes. Then we will take here cross multiplication, n into AR bar is equal to m into RB bar. ABR and we denote RAB. AR bar and RB bar are opposite directions. Which directions are opposite? Therefore n into AR bar is equal to minus opposite, because opposite direction we denote here minus m into RB bar. Therefore we put the value of AR bar and RB bar here. Then AR bar value is R bar minus A bar. N into R bar minus A bar is equal to minus M into B bar minus R bar. We multiply, we get N R bar minus N A bar is equal to minus M B bar minus minus plus M R bar. Then M B bar here, then M B bar minus N A bar change side is equal to M R bar minus N R bar. M B bar minus N A bar is equal to R bar common term, then remaining term in bracket M minus N. Therefore we find the value of only R bar, that is R bar is equal to MB bar minus NA bar divided by M minus N. R bar is equal to MB bar minus NA bar divided by M minus N. This is called the section formula for external division. This is called the section formula for external division. We have studied about the points, the centroid formula. We take the 4 points. Suppose A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. Its centroid formula G bar is equal to addition of all 4 numbers, that is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar divided by 4. And section formula, that is R bar is equal to MB bar plus NA bar divided by M plus N internally in the ratio. At that time internally ratio. And suppose we take the points of position vectors and points, that is A, B and C. Its coordinates, point A is x1, y1, z1, B is x2, y2, z2 and R take here x, y, z. Then its position vectors, that is A bar is equal to, we multiply I cap, j cap and k cap, that is x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, and B bar is x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap, and C bar or R bar, that is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Then we put the value and we get its final value, that is R is a points, that is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, and value of z is mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. When we take its addition, and common term, remaining terms in bracket, equating the corresponding components, and we get value of r. It's the division in the three-dimensional geometry. In midpoint formula we take 2 points, then it's addition of 2 points and divided by 2. That is r bar is equal to 2 position vectors, that is a bar plus b bar divided by 2. Same we find the centroid formula of 3 points. G bar is equal to a bar plus b bar plus c bar divided by 3. And we take the points of A is x1, x2, x1, y1, z1, B is x2, y2, z2, and C is x3, y3, z3. Then its centroid formula G is addition of x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, and z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. This is the centroid formula in three-dimensional geometry. Okay, we will stop here.